welcome back to the channel and to another car. This time we have a 2017 Citroen DS3 Connected. It's the 1.2 3-cylinder Puretec with a 5-speed manual gearbox. This is a Cat S due to rear damage to the tailgate and to the boot floor, and I'll be repairing or replacing any parts that are necessary. Being a Cat S, it will also have a new MOT done and a full service carried out. Moving on to the interior, it will be all removed and fully valeted as always. The car does have such features as remote central locking, electric windows and electric mirrors, power steering, stop-start system, air conditioning with climate control, cruise control with speed limit system, and a touchscreen infotainment system. I do hope you enjoy these videos. If you'd like to leave a comment, then leave it in the comment section, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. There will be an update video shortly on the 67 plate Mini Cooper S. That's finished now. But for now, we thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again soon in another video.